Disclaimer: the following video is written by AI, spoken by AI, and illustrated by AI. All the opinions are extracted from AI without any advanced prompting to manipulate its reasoning.
Imagine standing outside on a beautiful day, the sun shining brightly, the wind gently rustling the leaves. Suddenly, without warning, everything changes. The ground shakes, the sky darkens, and the world as you know it comes to a screeching halt. What if the Earth stopped spinning for just 1 hour? It may seem far-fetched, but let's dive into what would happen during that hour of chaos and confusion. To understand the implications of such an event, we first need to grasp how fast the Earth spins. At the equator, it rotates at about 1,000 miles per hour. This incredible speed creates a centrifugal force that counteracts gravity, allowing us to stand firmly on the ground without being flung into space. If the Earth were to suddenly stop spinning, that centrifugal force would disappear in an instant. As this force vanishes, everyone and everything on Earth would experience a sudden jolt. Imagine being at the equator. You would be thrown forward at over 1,000 miles per hour. This is akin to being in a car going full speed on a highway and suddenly hitting a wall. The result would be catastrophic. Let's picture this moment across the globe. In bustling cities like New York, Tokyo, and London, people are going about their daily routines, commuting to work, enjoying coffee with friends, when suddenly they are thrust forward. The initial shockwave would send millions tumbling into each other. Buildings would sway dangerously as they were no longer anchored by the balance of forces. Windows shatter, cars flip over, chaos erupts, but it doesn't stop there. The oceans would respond violently to this sudden shift. Tsunamis would form almost instantaneously, crashing into coastlines with unprecedented ferocity. Entire cities could be submerged under walls of water. Imagine Miami or San Francisco engulfed by towering waves within minutes. The destruction would be unimaginable. As the Earth halts its spin for an hour, ecosystems would also face dire consequences. Animals that rely on day-night cycles for hunting and mating would be thrown into confusion. Birds that navigate using the Earth's rotation would lose their sense of direction. Predators and prey alike would struggle for survival in a world turned upside down. After 1 hour of chaos, when the Earth resumes its spin, albeit at its original speed, the aftermath is staggering. The landscape has changed forever. Cities lie in ruins. Lives have been lost. Nature has been irrevocably altered. To put this into perspective, let's consider the scientific implications of such an event. The sudden stop of the Earth's rotation would not only cause immediate destruction, but could also trigger geological phenomena like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The balance of our atmosphere would be disrupted. Weather patterns could shift dramatically, leading to long-term climate changes. In this new reality, humanity faces an uphill battle for survival. Governments scramble to restore order amidst chaos. Resources become scarce as infrastructure crumbles. But amidst despair, there's hope. Communities unite. Neighbors help each other rebuild. Resilience shines through as humanity adapts once again. Months pass as recovery efforts continue. Scientists work tirelessly to understand what happened and how to prevent such an event from ever occurring again. They study the geological and atmospheric effects of this unprecedented occurrence and begin to develop strategies for better preparedness in case something similar were to happen in the future. As we reflect on this hypothetical scenario, we realize how fragile our existence truly is. The Earth is a delicate balance of forces that we often take for granted. It spins effortlessly through space, providing us with day and night, seasons, and a stable environment in which life can thrive. The potential consequences of a sudden stop in rotation serve as a stark reminder of our planet's power and vulnerability. Natural disasters can occur without warning. Climate change can disrupt ecosystems. Human actions can lead to unforeseen consequences that threaten our survival. So what can we learn from this thought experiment? First and foremost, it emphasizes the importance of understanding our planet's systems and respecting their intricacies. We must recognize that our actions have ramifications that extend beyond our immediate surroundings. Moreover, it highlights the need for preparedness in the face of natural disasters. While we may not be able to control every aspect of our environment, we can equip ourselves with knowledge and tools to respond effectively when disaster strikes. In conclusion, while the idea of the Earth stopping its spin for 1 hour is purely hypothetical and unlikely to ever happen, it serves as a powerful narrative about our relationship with nature and each other. It challenges us to think critically about how we live on this planet and how we can work together to create a more resilient future. The next time you look up at the sky or feel the ground beneath your feet, remember, we are all part of this incredible planet, fragile yet strong, and together we can weather any storm. As we ponder these possibilities, let's also consider our role as stewards of this planet. We have a responsibility not only to ourselves, but also to future generations who will inherit this world from us. What if the Earth stopped spinning for 1 hour? It's a terrifying thought filled with unimaginable consequences, but it also serves as a reminder of our resilience and unity in the face of disaster. In times of crisis, history has shown us that humanity has an incredible capacity for innovation and cooperation. We come together to support one another when faced with adversity, whether it's rebuilding after natural disasters or addressing global challenges like climate change. This thought experiment encourages us to foster a sense of community and collaboration among people from all walks of life. By working together towards common goals, such as environmental sustainability or disaster preparedness, we can ensure that we are better equipped to handle whatever challenges may arise in the future. Ultimately, it's essential that we remain vigilant about protecting our planet while also nurturing our connections with one another. The Earth is not just a backdrop for our lives, it is home. A beautiful yet complex ecosystem that requires care and respect. So let's take this opportunity to reflect on how we can contribute positively towards preserving our environment while strengthening bonds within our communities. As we conclude this exploration into what might happen if Earth were ever to stop spinning, even just for an hour, let us carry forward these lessons learned. Appreciate every moment spent under its vast skies. Cherish relationships built upon trust and kindness. Advocate fiercely for sustainable practices that honor both people and nature alike. Together, through education awareness advocacy, we can build resilient societies capable of navigating any storm life throws at us.